Hey, what's up guys? It's Michael. Today I want to give you a quick tip on how do you make plaster smooth. So like you see like this is like a plaster wall. If you run a hand across it, you can see that there's like all these different like cracks and imperfections. So there's two different ways you can fix, well, three different ways. The first way is you can skim coat the entire wall. So you basically just take some mud and you skim over the walls and then you sand it down until it's flat. Second way you can help with these imperfections is do a knockdown texture on the wall. On walls like that's pretty bad like this, you gotta do a thicker knockdown. The third way that you can do is you can put a quarter inch drywall over the wall and mud and tape it, and that is gonna give you a smooth finish. So with drywall, there's quarter inch, half inch, and 5/8. On just a layover, you wanna do a quarter inch. It's very, very, very skinny. That just goes right over the top of this. And like I said, you mud tape it. That is gonna give you your best finish to make plaster walls like this be perfectly flat. Anyways, hope that helps.